Hello, I'm Jake.
I'm Ray.
I'm Frankie.
Today we're doing the HVAC performance test. We've got our multimeter here. Ambient temperature is about 76, 77. So we're gonna turn on the AC and just put the reader in right in here. And then we're gonna watch it drop. It'll get to a point where it'll start to level out pretty good, not drop near so fast. And that's the temperature coming out of the ducts. So it looks slowing down pretty good right here at 48 and a half. So we got to do the math with 72 minus 48, and then just we'll guesstimate it's good 20-30 some degrees. So that's a pretty fair performance. I know it could do better, but for now we're gonna call it good. It's already December, so we're not too worried about the AC.